The Xtra Atto. Yes, indeed. I think I'm all set up because the last time I used my camera, I factory reset it and I had the shutter speed at 1/30th and I was jittery. So now it shouldn't be that jittery in this type of low light shot. I'm going to ride along, get where I need to be at, and finish up my talk. Yeah, so let's ride along. Xtra, they got with me, and we talked about, there's new firmware. It sounded like there was new firmware. They wanted to get an update if I loaded new firmware. So basically, they don't know what's happening. The Atto Vision dock plus camera, I don't love. Meaning, I have trouble trying to hit the top button. It's too long. It's too tall. If I try to hit the side button, every shot I do starts off like this. It's hard for me to get my hand around the side button. Well, if they had a button on the screen to hit as a record button, maybe that would work. But no, it's just the camera that I don't like as a vlogger's camera being connected to the Vision dock. So I gotta be careful where I get around. Give me a couple of seconds. I made a pass. You never know. They may turn their head once and they may not see me when I'm being in the front of them. Oh, another mushroom right over there. Did you see it? I'm not going to stop. Invasions of the mushroom. Maybe those are the lanternfly cocoons. I saw one like the size of a softball. And man, that was big. And yeah, let me tell you another thing. The record button, it's delayed. It don't stop fast enough. Do you like bokeh? Bokeh all the time? On every single shot? No. I like to change. I like a little change. How about Insta360 X6? August 12th. Out. If it's before or after I made this video. K&F Concepts got with me. I don't think it was K&F Concepts. I think it was somebody that was saying they were part of them marketing in ways. If K&F Concepts got with me, I would have a return email. Even a Kickstarter, and I wear glasses and they want to clean glasses. Well, they got with me twice, both times. People never answer me back. I guess I shine like the golden hour, like the sun's on me now. And every time, just as I'm ready to hit the start button, I see myself in a frozen picture. And then it corrects. Yep, it's a freeze frame. And that's the way cameras work. The Xtra Atto works. Am I going to worry about every single camera I got? Oh, Fish, you said X6. And I got to answer your question. I don't know. Smaller doesn't mean better. Still going to be the same weight out there on the 3-meter stick. Am I going to get one? Costco? Maybe. We'll see. And maybe I'll just sell off my X5. I hardly use it. I only use it for shots I need to get. I'm not a 360 fan. Sure I am. I'm not a camera fan. Sure I am. I sure am. I like to be in the loop. That's me. Sure. Does it help out my channel? It may. It may not. Well, the camera I got and I like using, take it with me everywhere I go. It's definitely that Insta360 Luna Ultra. Release the Kraken, baby. Release the Kraken. And that means give us some freedom without bokeh when it's turned on you. Well, I am Fish. Said a lot, did a lot, shared a lot, said some. It's time for me to get on out of here. Have a great day, people.